Hey everybody, I'm just heading into the scrap yard with a load on the trailer. I got like three fridges, three washers, a stove, and then like I think 8 microwaves, like those over the range microwaves, and a chunk of shred that was from that boiler unit from last year. But anyways, then I'm going to go and pick up the flat deck that I bought that has the Tommy gate on it, and then I will. Oh yeah, there's another truck that I got too, or I haven't got, but I'm just about ready to buy it. So I'll show you the video of that too, and after that video, then I'll come back and show you the deck with the Tommy gate on it. And yeah, hopefully, you never know, I might be able to just switch the Tommy gate. I don't know how that works, but I might be able to put it onto the deck that I have just bought, that I will pick up today. And if that's take it off the oh man, take it off the deck that I just bought and put it on the truck that I'm going to buy, on the flat deck that's on it. Maybe I can do that. I don't know. It's all wired up. Ed figures it might be easy to do, so we'll see. But anyways, I'm just on my way to the scrapyard now. I will throw this video of the truck up and then come back later. It's in a weird spot, and like when you're driving by on the highway, that's the highway up there, I couldn't figure out where it came from. 2500. Already I know there's something wrong. Drives fine, starts right up, shifts good, drives straight, no shaking or rattles. Oh, right on. Windshield bad, that's not bad. Yeah, so it's an F250. Geez, this would be all right. This would be all right. Because I'm supposed to go pick up a fifth wheel trailer. I think this would be a beautiful scrap truck. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So I'm guessing, I don't know if it's not open. Okay, so it is a standard. There's the gear shift there. So it's a 5-speed, or 4 with overdrive, which I guess is 5. But propane and gas. Yeah, that's all right, I think. Well, that's good. I'll go home and check that out. Oh, that's sweet. It's got the front. Oh, you can put the winch in there. Oh, exciting. What did it weigh and what did it pay? That's right, I did it. Anyways, I brought in some shred, and then a friend stopped me there when I was picking up the trailer and gave me 263 pounds of batteries for $47.34. And that's good. I was already coming in anyhow, so I figured I don't even need to unload them until I get to the scrapyard. Alright, I gotta get out of here. She's getting gross. Okay, so I got the deck. It's heavier than I was led to believe. His tractor, he was trying to load it with the tractor, and the back wheels were coming off the ground quite a bit. So, but anyways, this is the deck. If I can put this gate on that other deck, I think that would be better. But either way, I got this thing. $750. That's, I think, a pretty good deal. The gate works and everything apparently. So yeah. Anyways, I was gonna stop up at a pullout, and then I figured I better just stop right now because that's not looking nice up there. Yeah, so I don't know. More junk. Maybe not even nice junk. I'll see you later.